True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So you know, this channel is all about touring Jamaica. You will get to see many different places in Jamaica, on the countryside, also the town side. So today, I'm going to really have a tour today. So I take some time out and go hunt some fruits. I look some star fruit today. So big up on yourself, anyone now watch from me. Yeah man, I'm talking to you. Big up yourself man, because you take the time out. You click on that video and watch it. So big up yourself anywhere you watch from. Because you know, organic is the right way to go. You talk about organic fruits and on the countryside of Jamaica. That's why I love country so. Countryside is the best. So anyway, let's get into the video. But as we said before, if you want to know Jamaica, this is the right channel you're on. So just share up the things same way. Manners and respect. Yeah man, see thing we are talking about here. Yeah man, we call him the star fruit. Yeah man. She load off a star fruit, nothing like country life, you know. Country life is the best. So yeah man, I don't know, it's a star fruit. I tell them say star fruit have a lot of health benefits. So it's good for the heart. Yeah man. Good for the hair and the skin. And it regulates weight. And also you talk about vitamin C. You want some vitamin C in your system. Just go out and hunting and hunt some star fruits. You know? Because that's some do it in Jamaica. There is no other way like organic way. So leave in the comment section if you're watching from other countries. You can tell me what to call star fruit, because in other country people call it different name. But in Jamaica, star fruit I call it still. If I shape like I want a star, you know? To me it's shaped like I want a star. You can see the blossom them. Yeah man, so I wash off the fruit, not just cook it a while ago. Washing it off. So this star fruit is not fully ready as yet. When it's fully ready, it have a more yellowish color to it. But you don't know. A fruit, you know, fully green, but you don't know. You taste the same way. If you get some vitamin C in the system before me touch the road. Yeah man, as we say. Wash everything already. So you have one taste to it, like have a little sour taste, but also taste like, to me, like it's a cherry. No cherry kind of taste. That texture there. That's the way. Like green cherry, not the ripe one. The green cherry, like Jamaican cherry. Because you know Jamaican cherry is different from some other cherries in other countries. So a morning time, I just get some fruits before I touch the road. Even drink a coconut for wash off my heart. You know, coconut good for high blood pressure. So a morning time, a paper, if you don't have a coconut tree in the backyard, just chip a coconut. If you have a lime tree, and squeeze some lime inside of it. That's good for regulate your blood pressure to give you a normal reading. So more time you know when you go on a journey, it's a very long journey. So some of the time, you know, the distance can elevate your blood pressure. So normally when I go out, I drink a coconut with some lime squeeze inside of it. Yeah man, so I need to share it to the star fruit, I say. It's good for your skin, also weight loss, and a good source of vitamin C, and it's also good for digestion. So eat up on the fruits. If you travel a lot, keep yourself hydrated with some fruits. That's the best way if you keep hydrated. No? Don't say water the best way, but to me, fruit is the right way to keep hydrated, you know. So just eat up on the fruits. I'm telling you from the tour guide, Fire Reid. Just keep on watching. Just the vibes in Jamaica on the countryside. So any people want to come to Jamaica, anybody at all, just come to Jamaica, visit the countryside. Mostly, you know, and normally features like St. Elizabeth on the countryside, you know, Treasure Beach and place you can get some nice scenery at the beach. Yeah man, so there's some fit one here. Tell us say goat love it. Yeah man, so you hunt the fruits them, you know. Yeah man, so if you don't love the content, you can check out the different the playlist and you can see what I go on all about Jamaica. So remember, click the like button, free of cost, if you learn something about this channel and also about Jamaica. One love, one heart. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.